Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the MetaTrader 5 application not opening error. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to open up the MetaTrader 5 application but it simply doesn't open up, or if the application closes as soon as it does, then there are a few ways to fix this issue. First of all, in order to fix this, check that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection on your device. If this is not the case and you are connected to the internet with a stable internet connection, then the second thing to check is to see if your application is fully updated. Open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device, and then search for MetaTrader 5 using the search feature. From the search page, when you find the MetaTrader application, if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Just tap on this and wait for a while until the installation is complete. And once it is done, you will see the open button once again. Go ahead and tap on it and see if this fixes your issue. If it still doesn't work, then one final thing that you can try is to long press on the MetaTrader 5 application. Then tap on the info button to end up in the application info page. From here, first of all tap on force stop at the bottom right corner to stop the application. Then scroll down and tap on storage. From the storage menu, try clearing your cache first from the bottom right corner, and if it still doesn't work, tap on clear data and tap on the delete button to clear all of your user data. After this step, you will need to log into your account once again, but the MetaTrader 5 application will now begin to work. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix MetaTrader 5 application error if it is not opening. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.